What's going on, Flow Nation family? Iamsickflowz back with another reaction video. Man, listen, Nightwish dropped a new song, so we're going to be checking out Nightwish Noise, the official music video. And I want to give a quick shout out to Ian, man. Ian is the one that let me know that this song dropped today. So here we are, man, checking it out. Do me a favor, if you guys love Nightwish, simply slap that like button. All right, slap that like button like you've never done it before. Let's see if we can get to 200 likes. 200 likes means we keep doing more Nightwish here on the channel. Also, let me know the next Nightwish song that I should check out down in the comments below. And guys, if you guys want to keep in touch with me and with the entire Flow Nation family, join Discord. That will be down below, man. We're growing every day. We talk music, we talk life, we post memes, and have fun and listen to music together. Also, merch is now available. Link in the description and as a pinned comment. You get merch, send me proof of purchase, and you get a guaranteed reaction, boy. Now, without further ado, man, I'm talking too much, man. I'm talking too much, and I need to listen to some Nightwish. So let's get right into this video, boy. All right, here we have it. Nightwish Noise official music video. I'm excited. I'm excited, man. Let's get into it. Let's go. Let's go. Leave it up to Nightwish. Leave it up to Nightwish to bring like some baby involved in a music video, bro. This is dope. What the? Oh! All right. I already see where this is going. I already see where this is going, man. Gotta have the lighter on deck. Yeah!
Yourself, pose for the dead, have a near life experience, hit a heart and matrix. Now you're a star, an avatar, feeding the beast in your loud ego land. You have become too.
Yo, is this a build-up? Is this building up to something crazy? All right, listen. This is dope already. Who's currently singing in this one? It's not Floor, I don't think. Because I don't know who's the singer now on Nightwish. Is it Floor? I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comments below. But listen, she is killing it. I'm liking, like, there's like, it's like she's barely trying, and I can feel like there's a build up coming up. Let's go. Yeah. You know why I love Nightwish, bro? It's like that medieval music, bro. I love it. Yeah. Oh, that's nice how she just like raised her voice like that. Listen to this part right here. Yeah. Ooh. Please love me, see how I bleed, please endure. I have such empathy in me. Hunger is harm, beautifully numb. Deep in the quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, set hologram, lost in the maze. The real and human feel. Sunset is free from this beauty. I love the backing vocals. Like, I love that throughout the verse of the song. That's actually pretty cool. A little filler in the music as well. And I love this. Is like It's like putting you through a freaking it's like walking you through a storyline, bro. Like, I love it. The music video, the song. Oh, hold on. I mean, I didn't just realize this, but it just kind of hit me. Like, the girls are taking like tons of sexy selfies. Where they at though? Where they at? New world. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Come on, boy. Wait. I'm gonna wait for y'all. Go ahead. Go in your purse. Go ahead. Go in your pockets. Wherever the fuck you have your lighter. Get it. Get it. Well deserved. Well deserved. Let's go. I gotta hear that again. How she held that note and then finished it very flawlessly. Let's go. The little build up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, go crazy. Oh. Oh. What? Hold on, what? I gotta see this again. All right, so she's got the little girl trapped. Okay. Oh my God, the beautiful, the little fucking vocals, the background vocals on top of this. This is amazing, bro. Yo! All right, so I'm gonna say what I feel like this video is about at the end of this video. So make sure you guys finish the entire reaction because I'm gonna speak about this, man. I'm loving this song. I am loving the video message. I might even do a lyric breakdown, but listen, don't get it fucked up. This is fire, bro. This is fire, and I cannot wait until they actually sit there and perform this song live, bro. All right, so then the little person grew up now, attached to the. Oh. Oh my God, bro. Where's my other lighter? Where's my other lighter? You guys should have 2 lighters by now, too. Come on. Come on. 2 lighters. Let's go. Oh, this video is dope. This video is dope as hell. What? And this is gonna be a tough one to break down, to be honest, man. All right, that was a Nightwish Noise. the official music video. Let's see if there's anything left in it. All right, man. So that right there was a Nightwish Noise. I feel like this song, honestly, is a really good song. I cannot wait to see them perform it live. And then if they have already, I'm probably going to look it up. I want to react to the live performance because this is honestly one of those songs that's really, really good. And it's also going to really be more amazing in the live set, especially being Nightwish. You know, I can already picture fire going out and all those type of things. So I think this song right here in general, I'm going to have to rate this song a 9.5 out of 10. Really love the message from that. I think that they were trying to deliver with the music video, which is like everyone is addicted to looking good in social media. The reasons I got that is because obviously the girls taking very sexual pictures, selfies over and over, and then the self injections of the lips, and then also showing them doing the hair and then taking pills. So I feel like it's just like trying to say that this is what the world has become. As far as the music video, I gotta have to break down the song itself. And if you guys want to see that, let's get the video to 300 likes. And let me know also down in the comments if you want to see the lyric breakdown. But in general, I do believe that this song is a 9 out of 10 for me. I do believe that the live version is going to be way, way better. This song is fire. And I feel like if I react to the live version, I'm going to have a flamethrower. But definitely a great song. And I can't wait to see more from Nightwish. If you guys are fans of Nightwish, slap that like button and subscribe. That way you guys don't miss any of my Nightwish reactions. Don't forget to join us on Discord. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And we have merch in the description. You buy merch, send me proof of purchase, and you get a guaranteed reaction here on the channel with a special shout out as well. Man, I hope you guys enjoy this reaction video. I hope you guys have a great day. And until next time, I'll see you guys with another one. Bow!